guys, today I'm going to show you a load of phones, tips and tricks. So we are going to be talking about charging, then system, then software, then price, no, not price, then is your device up to date. So first, let's start with charging. So charging, your phone usually spends half of its time charging, then browsing. That's just a little fun fact I was talking about. Now, let's talk about charging. So, you may not know that a wireless charger is going to be fast. It's going to be about 20% slower than a standard USB charging cable. But, so yeah, if you both use 10-watt chargers, the wireless charger will be 20% slower. But if you up the ante for the wireless charger and use a 12-watt for the wireless and a 10-watt for the standard, the wireless will still do the job. It'll do the job about. Actually, they're both gonna be pretty much the same speed in charging. There could be a 5% difference, or a 5% difference, so maybe wireless charger is 5% more, or the standard is 5% more. It all depends on the phones you're using. So if both phones have a 4,000 milliamp battery, then they will score the same. If one has a 5,000 milliamp battery and the other has a 3,900 milliamp hour battery, then the 4,000 milliamp hour battery will do the job about 30% slower than if they were both the same. So yes, that's it. Now, let's talk about the USB power delivery. So, the USB power delivery standard is about just as fast as a wireless charger. It is just about 10% slower than the wireless charger. Now, if you up the ante even more, up it to a 15-watt charger, which is even more powerful, then you will be able to get even more juice out of the USB power delivery standard. If you use a 15-watt for the USB power delivery standard, now here's the thing. If you use the USB power delivery standard, you cannot up the ante. It has to stay like this. So if you use a 100-watt charger, which is 129 watt. If you use a 110-watt charger, 120 watt, 125 watt charger, then a 125-watt charger on a wireless charger will do the job faster than a 40-watt charger. A 100-watt charger. A 100-watt charger on a standard. So, yep. That's it. Now, if you use a 15-watt charger on the wireless charger and a 10-watt on the standard, the wireless charger will do the job 30% faster than a standard. So yes, that's all about chargers. And a wireless charger with a 10-watt will be less powerful than a wireless charger with will be more powerful than a wireless charger with a 40-watt charger will be faster than a wireless charger with a 12 watt. So now that all of that has been figured out, next, software changes to make certain things faster. Now, if you live in an area with bad reception in a car, if the car has bad reception, turn on airplane mode to make the stop the phone from wasting its battery power trying to find an ANT signal. Yep. Next thing, turn on airplane mode to make your phone charge faster. Again, it's all because of that bad reception thing, so that it doesn't waste its battery power looking for that. Even when it's off, it still uses that feature. Turn off location. Lower the brightness. Turn on maximum power saving mode. Or use a black wallpaper. Actually, don't use a black wallpaper. Just turn on maximum power saving mode. Turn off location. Turn on airplane mode. And yep, that is all the tips for charging. Next, there's a little bit more for software. Is your software up to date? Now, actually not that. Can your phone handle the next software? It's best to use only one software update and then just stop using a software update. If you want to have the latest software, just get a new phone. Yep, just get a new phone. But if you grab last year's model with the plus on it, it will be equally as good as this year's. So last year's S10 5G is better than the Galaxy S20. Yep, that's it. Galaxy S20 is worse than the Galaxy S10 5G. Galaxy S10 5G has the exact same amount of cameras, which is good. That's the same. Actually, it has the exact same amount of cameras. But the thing is, the S10 5G has 10 times zoom. The S20 has 30. Yep. Next, is your device up to date? Many people ask this question. An S7 in 2020 will be good enough. An S6 Edge Plus in 2020, even though it has some benefits over the S7, is not enough. It's too old of a model. Has an older Snapdragon chip. And the S7 boots up faster than the S20 Ultra 5G. Well, about just as fast as the S20 Ultra 5G. So really, that's pretty funny. And S7 still has top, pretty high grade equipment. Yeah. So, yep, guys. Now that is it. One final thing. Using a USB OTG adapter, using a USB light. Does this drain your battery? Answer is yes. Do not use USB lights if you want the best battery possible. So yes, that's it. Don't even try plugging it into CPU. Actually, you can put the if you plug it into a laptop and don't want the battery to drain, and have it don't go down or go up. Actually, go up very slowly, about 50% slower. Then you can try putting your laptop in charging and plugging the USB light in at the same time. So yep, that's all about this USB light. Now, yep, that's it. So yep, go check out my charging video. Harmful dangers and charging your PS4 controllers to learn more about your charger. That is device tips too. Bye guys.